Lean in close here for a second and let me share with you the key to making a whole lot of money with your digital product business. It's this. You need to find a hungry niche. Sounds simple, right? It is. You don't need to overcomplicate or overanalyze this business model. Simply find out what people are already buying and put more of the same in front of them. That's what this video is about, so get comfortable and let's dive in. Now, there are two parts to finding a hungry market. The first is to brainstorm possible markets, and the second is to find out which of these markets and associated niches are profitable. Let me make a quick note here. Unless you have an advertising budget that would make a company like McDonald's blush, don't try to latch on to a big market. Instead, carve out a little niche you can dominate. For example, the weight loss industry is huge, but if you try to go up against multi-million-dollar companies like Weight Watchers, you're just going to end up going home to cry to your mama. So instead, what you do is find a similar niche, such as weight loss for women over 40 or weight loss using a specific type of low-carb diet, or any other smaller, reachable segment of the bigger market. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is brainstorm possible markets. You can write down any niche segments you think of, but you'll also uncover the niches as you do your market research. Let me give you a quick list of some of the big and popular markets. Weight loss, fitness, which includes everything from bodybuilding to running marathons. Health, which includes things such as how to stop smoking, reducing arthritis pain, getting rid of back pain, eating for a healthy heart, and more. Home topics, which includes things such as saving for a home, buying your first home, selling a home design ideas, and do-it-yourself home remodeling. Money topics, such as investing, getting rid of debt, and saving for retirement. Business topics, such as starting a small business, finding funding for a business, marketing topics, and so on. Love and romance, which may include how to find a soulmate, how to develop a better relationship with a spouse, how to save a marriage that's heading for divorce. Another major market includes kids and family. This may include pregnancy topics, how to raise autistic kids, or how to talk to teenagers. Another market idea revolves around pets and animals. This includes topics such as dog training, pet health, teaching a parrot to talk, or raising domestic rats. Yet another big market is the hobby market. This includes activities such as golfing, car restoration, and fishing. Travel is another biggie. This includes anything from traveling in a motorhome to taking cruises to overseas traveling. Computer markets are also popular. This includes computer security, computer programming, and even the basics of using a computer. Still another market is the self-help market. This includes topics such as motivation, getting confidence, and finding happiness. I could list a whole bunch more, but you get the idea. So what I want you to do is set aside about 15 minutes and just brainstorm as many possible markets as you can think of. You can start with the list above, then add to your list by thinking about your own problems, hobbies, and other interests, as well as those of your friends and family. You might also think about interesting topics you've encountered while watching the news, reading, or even eavesdropping. Once you have your big list of potential markets, then you need to whittle down this list so you focus on profitable niches within these markets. Here's where you need to roll up your sleeves and do some market research. Heads up, don't skip this step. This is the step that tells you where the money is at. It can make or break your entire business. So now what you need to do is head over to some marketplaces like Amazon, ClickBank, and Apple's iTunes marketplace. What you need to do is start entering in the keywords related to the markets on your list. For example, if you're looking at a weight loss market, you might enter in a variety of related keywords such as weight loss, lose weight, dieting, fat loss. These words basically hit the same market, but searching for a variety of related words will let you see the big picture. Now you're looking for a couple different things. First, you're looking for evidence that a market is profitable. If there are a lot of sellers in the market selling a variety of products, that's a good sign of a healthy market. Secondly, you're trying to figure out what niches are profitable. So take a look at the best sellers in the market. For example, maybe you run a search for dog training, and you discover that there are several best-selling products that are aimed at training a deaf dog. This might include books, training collars, videos, and more. That's a niche you'll want to investigate further. Next up, go to Google and run a search for your keywords. Check out what the top sites in the market are selling and see if you can uncover the profitable niches. Be sure to also take a look at the sponsored results alongside the regular results. You figure that if marketers are willing to pay to advertise, then they're getting return on their investment. That's the sign of a healthy market. In general, you'll also want to check if there are places where the market gathers. This includes popular blogs, forums, newsletter lists, and even Facebook groups. If the market congregates in these sorts of places, then you know you'll be able to reach this market with your advertising. That's important. You might also head over to Google Trends. Enter your keywords and take a look at if a topic is trending upward over time, which is a good sign. Also, this tool gives you an idea of where in the world people are searching for this information, which will help you profile your target market a bit. Now, if you follow these steps, it'll become pretty clear to you what niches are profitable and what types of products this market is already buying. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to start up a business to sell similar products. So set aside some time today to do your market research so you can find your hungry audience. Be sure to check out the recommended resources section of this site for links that will help you with this very important task.